So on365 have been a specialist in the solutions market for 30 years, starting from a power background and evolving through into systems in the DC data center market, that is, but also industrial and other related technology industries, technical rooms, etc. So we're a very broad spectrum company solution provider. If we try to look across the many sectors that we operate in, we work best when we're working with clients that are looking for support, collaboration and a partnership. Partnerships are very important. We consider ourselves to have been a very long-term partner with Schneider. The data center business has been core for a lot of people over the last, since the 2000 sort of evolution. But for us, the industrial segment, IoT and edge, we've always felt that the concept of large data centers ruling the world was never ever going to be a reality. Today's been an interesting experience to hear the definitions of what Schneider think edge is all about. It's put it into context for us, I think, a little bit. But yes, they are the things that are driving our business. We see that the solutions that Schneider are now evolving and putting into the marketplace are driving, from a technology point of view, they're answering a number of the questions. But I think also for us, because we've always been a solutions-based provider, it's great to have the support of Schneider offering those sorts of products out, which we can take to our clients and solve their problems. The job that we did at Harrods, where we put a modular data center on the roof of Harrods for the data center 12 years ago now. So before modular construction became the byword, the buzzword. So we basically put a solution offering in there, which was power, which was cooling, which was security, rack space, etc., etc. And I think that probably embodies the kind of thing that we have been doing. So the solutions that are now coming out from Schneider just help us to take that to the next level.